Okay, hello guys. Today we will do some DSA questions. Uh, okay, this question today we will do this question. So, what is this question? This question, okay, it was came into my possession and I have not done that, and later on I learned that, and I'm practicing and also helping others which didn't get it. So this is the array, okay, and its length of the array, and this is the length of the second array. This is the second array. So this is the array. In this array there is two numbers. So these numbers we have to delete from this array. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? इस array में जो दो नंबर हैं उन्हें हमें इस array से delete करना है. Okay, इस array से delete करना है इस 3 और 1 को. तो दोनों array की length हमारे पास है. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, run loop on the first array. Less than n1 plus plus. Okay, I have run the loop on the first one, and I have to take an object, empty object. This is I'm having empty object, so I have to push this array into the object. Okay, first I will push. Then how to push? Push. Okay, if we want to push any array or any number into the object, so this is the way to push into the, okay, with the value. So if obj of array 1 of I equals to undefined, okay, then object of array 1 of I equals to 1. इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट में एरे 1 ऑफ आई, जब ये एरे 1 है और इसका जो आई यानी कि कोई सा भी एलिमेंट रहेगा, अगर वो पहले से नहीं है, अनडिफाइंड है, तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. ओके, ओके, that value becomes 1, and we will write in the else condition that if the element is already present inside the object, then it will be increment. Then we will write this condition array 1 of I plus plus. Okay, if it is present, okay, it is not present, it is undefined. Okay, it is means if we are taking any element first time into the object, then it becomes 1, and if it is already present and we are pushing it again, then it will be, okay, the value of that element will be increased. Okay, so this is the object we have pushed inside the object. Okay, these elements are pushed, we have pushed inside the object. So first we should see how our object look like. Okay, let's see. So this is our object. Okay, this is the array we have pushed inside the object. So the object element, first element of the object is 1, and it is one time, then it shows 1. This is the key and this is the value, key value pairs. The data inside the object, that is in the form of key value pair. So it is the key and it is the value of it. So it is one time into the object. It is also one time, it is also one time, 4 and 5, everything is one time. Okay, so this is the first step that array we should push inside the object. And the second step will be a run loop on another array. Then okay, for, okay, we have done it. For let j equals to 0, then j less than n2 and j plus plus. So here what we will do, here what we will do, here we will do we will check the object, okay, and we will decrement this the key, which is means we will this one is one, okay, and here we will do if one is present in the second array, then the value should be decreased from the object. So here this loop for the second array, you as you can see that n2 is the length of second array. We are running a separate loop for the second array, and we are checking that if with the same object, we have to check with the same object. So if object of array 2 of j not equals to undefined. Okay, not equals to undefined, it means that it is defined. Okay, if the element of the second array is already present inside the object, then object of array 2 of j minus minus. So let's see how our object is look like after this. After this operation, our object is look like the value of every key is 1. After this operation, our object is look like this. And what is the thing that here in the second array, like in the second array there is 3 and 1 present, which we have to minus from the object. So 1 and 3, the value of 1 and 3 becomes 0. So we have to print the values which is having the we have to print the keys which is having the value 1. So okay, we are having the way, we are having the two way, but I will tell you the good way. Like I can also take the for in loop. If I will, okay, means which who is seeing this video for their doubts, and they are the ideas clicking in their mind that if the object of key is 1 or greater, like less than equals to 1, then we have to print the keys. So we should go with this approach first, then let's see what happens. Let key in object, okay. uh, then okay, I should take the big plus obj of key. Okay, I have not defined any big, so I'm defining a big. So this is the big, okay. I am storing the value inside the big, and if I will run this, key is not defined, object of, okay. What I'm doing is, so here I should not write key because we want key, we don't want the values of the object, okay. So okay, I have not put it the if condition, okay, okay. So we have to take the this for in loop, and inside the for in loop, if we will write this condition, if object of key equals to 1, then okay, here we need some space, so we are taking space. So here you can see that we can see that we want to delete 3 and 1, and 3 and 1 is deleted from the array. But one major problem is here, and can you see that problem in this? So the problem inside this, Okay, let me check. Okay, fine. So what is the problem inside this? The problem is this array which we are getting, it's sorted. So we cannot write this loop, for in loop here. Okay, so we cannot write this for in loop. Okay. So we need this back, but what we need to write? We have to run loop on this array only, on this array itself in the end. So for I equals to 0, I less than n1, then I plus plus. Then we have to compare if uh, object of array 1 of I uh, object of array 1 of I uh, equal to 1, then big equals to big plus array 1 of I, then plus some space with it, having some trouble or getting the answer. 2 4 5. So we are comparing it. So okay. Mm, like okay, so what I thought guys in this question, I thought that even if I have applied loop on the array and then also I am getting the sorted. But why I'm getting the sorted? Because this is my sorted array. So I'm making it different. Okay. So now, like, okay, I need to put it there for at the first place. Okay. Now you can see it is not sorted array. Okay. So what we should do first, the array, the main array we should store inside the object, and then run another loop on the array which inside that means that on the second array where that element are present which we have to neglect from the, or which we have to minus from the main array. And after all of these two conditions, then we have to run loop again on the first array, then check if object inside the object, okay, object of array 1 of I, if inside the object means that the values are elements are present inside first array, which is also present inside the object. If these values are present, okay, we know that inside the object inside the object also present the same values which is present inside the object and array. Okay, both the values are same, but we have to check if the values are one, because here we have the values, the means the keys are same, but the values we have become zero by this loop. Okay, we made the values become zero. So we have to check which is having the value 1, that will be okay, print. So if means not getting, which I want to say, if I'm not able to that explain that much in a good way, then you can see the code and understand. Okay.